5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Should we count them again?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and count with Mama.
1, 2 of them.
1, 2.
That one pop.
Oh.
That one pop.
What are you making, buddy?
A ball.
Oh. You're doing a good job. Who are you making them for?
One. I'm making one. One is up. One is up.
Oh. Are they yummy?
Yeah. Balls yummy. Balls are yummy.
Hey, buddy.
Balls.
Are you all done with that one?
Gonna get it?
Good job.
I'm gonna do another one. I'm doing balls and the glass and a ball
What kind of balls are they, honey?
and a ball.
Are they cantaloupe balls? Are they fruit balls?
Are they balls?
Yep.
I'm making balls, Mommy.
Mmm.
Yummy balls. Yummy balls. I use a fork.
What about the toothpick?
What about the toothpick? Yummy one. Yummy. Balls. One last one.
One last one.
One last.
Good job, buddy. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.